Hello, I'm Mr. McPartlin and today we're learning about common factors. Later on you'll need a pencil and a piece of paper, so make sure you've got these close by. Factors are numbers that divide exactly into another number. They're the multiplication facts of the number. Let's take 12 as an example. The factors of 12 are all of the numbers that fit neatly into 12 without any remainders. So they are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are all factors of 12. A common factor is a factor that is shared by two or more numbers. Let's work out the common factors of 12 and 18. The first thing we should do is write down all the factors for both numbers. We already know the factors of 12. They're 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So let's concentrate on 18's factors. The easiest thing to do is to start with 1 and ask yourself whether that number is divisible into the other number. Then do this for each number using your times tables to help you. This is called working systematically. So let's find all the factor pairs for 18. 1 and 18 are factors of 18. 2 goes into 18 9 times. 3 times by 6 makes 18. 4 or 5 don't go into 18. Let's put them in ascending order. So the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Phew! Well done! Now let's compare them to the factors of 12. To find the common factors, you have to see which factors both 12 and 18 share. There we go. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are common factors of 12 and 18. This time it's your turn to work out the common factors. You will need a pencil and some paper. You can pause the video if you need some extra time to find some. Pencils at the ready? Brilliant. Can you find all the common factors of 14 and 28? I'd like you to pause the video until you are ready to discuss the answer. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, let's go through the factors of 14 first. 1 times 14 equals 14. So 1 and 14 are factors of 14. 2 times 7 also makes 14, which means 1, 14, 2 and 7 are factors of 14. What about the factors of 28? Let's look through our times tables. 1 times 28 equals 28. 2 times 14 equals 28. 4 times 7 equals 28. No other numbers between 1 and 28 multiply to make 28. Therefore, the factors of 28 are 1, 28, 2, 14, 4 and 7. Now, let's put them next to each other in ascending order so we can see which factors they have in common. There they are. 1, 2, 7 and 14 are the common factors of 14 and 28. For extra practice, why not write down numbers on different pieces of paper, fold them up, and then pick 2 to find their common factors.